Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For all my new subscribers, welcome. All right, next up we got this 2000 single cab Silverado. It's already been lowered. We're gonna be putting a reckless underbed notch on it. The rear, they're already hitting frame to axle. He said it was a rough ride. They're all the way up from Miami to get this done. All right, like I said, we're gonna be doing reckless notch. Shout out to Reckless. It's their underbed notch. So next, we'll take the bed off. We'll get the rear up in the air, get the wheels off, and start getting this mocked up. Don't get many of these red Silverados in much. They look good. Now the bed's off, wheels are off. We'll go ahead and cover the back window. We'll get the brake line and the rear diff vent line off the frame and out of the way. And we'll get the gas tank covered up. Then we'll start to unbolt. Well, I guess this was attempted to be welded on. So I guess we have to cut both of these out. All right, wasn't aware. I thought they were only bolted on, but ain't nothing but a thing. This one, they went ahead and stitched the whole thing. All right, it'll just take a little more time. We'll get it knocked out. What a pain in the ass this passenger side was. They welded it. Wasn't the greatest welds, but they held all the way around. And then a few on the inside here where I really couldn't get to. So that one took a little extra long to get out. Like I said, they threw some welds on the inside where the inside of the frame and right here met. But we got it off. All we gotta do is clean up the frame now and keep moving forward. Got as far as I could. Got the tops welded on, both of them. Next, I'll weld all 4 of the outsides before we cut the rest of that out of there. But ran out of gas. I got 2 more bottles over there full, so we'll grab one of them, swap it out, and get back on it. Next up, I'll cut out that last little bit of right there. Show off some of these welds real quick, you know. Always quality work. All right, like I said, we'll do both sides. Once we cut this out here and then this up here, we will go ahead and plate it. Once we plate it, we'll fully weld the plates on after we prep them. And then we can stand the bed up and cut that support bar. And we'll get this done. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. That way you can see all the videos and all the content I put out. Can be anywhere from these notches to custom builds. All right, let's keep moving. Next, we will paint them. Then we'll put the brake line bracket back where it goes. Get the fireproof blanket off. Get the cardboard off. Then we'll stand the bed up, cut that support bar off, and get it on. Get this thing finished up. All right. Go in and show you some of these welds as usual. All right, like I said, we can keep moving on. Almost done. as you saw, this one took more effort to get in the air as the customer came with the fiberglass Lear top. These things add a few 100 pounds. So definitely, if you are going to get some work done from a shop, you might want to take them off. Save yourself from additional little fee. All right, we'll set the camera up a little closer. We'll pull that aluminum shield off, get that brace off, get this set back down, and get it back on that bed, on that truck. We'll get this thing done. All right, that's it. Now he's not sitting on the frame no more. It sits lower in the rear. Looks good. All right, everyone. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. That way you get notified when I got new content coming out. You know we had to tag this one. We tag them all. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.